Guys, we're going to the Hilton today. We're going to chill out by the pool, get the experience, and see what's there. Nice.
You just go straight to the pool?
Yeah, why not? Maybe speak to reception. Oh yeah, it's just down here. Hiya. Guys, so here we are at the Hilton Hotel. It's absolutely stunning. We're right out here on the beach. You've got half beach, half pool area, and yeah, no, there's a really nice guy called Leonard who's at the front door, and we were sort of asking about prices, and it was about 80 quid for entry for the day, so it's quite expensive. However, he pulled some strings, spoke to the manager, and he managed to get us 20 quid each off, so down to 60. And they're doing a deal right now that's 2 days. You can get a 2-day pass for one, so we'll definitely be back here again. Right, I'm going to show you around. So I think these are tables. These must be for night time. These are for dinner. Everyone chilling out. We've got music. Here's the pool area. Really nice. It's got a sort of slight infinity pool style to it, except it doesn't infinity out onto anything, unfortunately. But there we go. Let's see what else. Just checking this out, they've got these little beach huts, but they're not just your typical beach hut. They look like they're, yeah, they've got lighting. I'm sure there's sockets back here. Yep, there is. You'd probably come here to watch the football, smoke a bit of shisha, have a few drinks. Really nice. And they've all got their own individual style. Got a little door here for your Instagram or your selfies or whatever you like. So yeah guys, if you're staying at the Hilton, you're going to be sitting literally, look, you've got the Hilton here, and then you've got a bar, restaurant, called Trader Vic's. Now this is a hot spot. This is where a lot of Western people go. If you're Irish or British, American, this is where they kind of hang out on a Saturday night. I've been out a couple of times, but I'm keeping that to a minimum because it can cost you a lot of money out here. But yeah, just to be aware. So if you do book a suite or a room, if you do book a room, you're right next to one of the most popular places in town. We'll maybe get a review of that place another time, but I'm not going to go too much into Trader Vic's. Not yet. That's another video. Yeah, just right next to the pool.